For compacting tarmac in a pothole repair, a heavy manual tamper is the best tool for small repairs because it provides controlled, high-pressure compaction directly into the patch. For a durable repair, start by cleaning the hole of loose debris and standing water, and then square the edges to give the patch material a vertical face to bind to. Use hot or cold tarmac appropriate to your situation and add it in layers no thicker than 2 inches, with each layer roughly level with the surrounding surface. Press each layer firmly with the heavy manual tamper, keeping the tool perpendicular and striking the material in a grid pattern to remove voids and ensure even density. For larger patches, rent a vibrating plate compactor and run it across the patched area in overlapping passes until the surface resists further settlement. When a plate compactor is used, protect nearby edges with a short timber or steel plate to avoid overcompacting and causing a depression at the perimeter. Finish by feathering the edges with a trowel and compacting again along the seam so water cannot infiltrate and undermine the repair. Common problems include undercompaction that leads to quick settling, which you fix by reworking in thinner lifts and compacting each layer thoroughly. Another issue is heaving around the patch, caused by overcompaction of the surrounding matrix. So protect edges and avoid repeated passes right on the seam. A third concern is using the wrong tool for the size of the job. If you try to tamp a large area by hand, you will get uneven density, so swap to a rented plate compactor when the hole is wider than about 1 foot across. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover tools and techniques for jobs like driveway repairs. And we host a discussion community where users share tips and experiences. We help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for skilled help, and by offering a place to build reputation and network.